Hi guys, so here in this video I will show you how to do a very sleek low sitting ponytail using only hairspray and one rubber band. Now, procedure like this is deceivingly simple, so it's all about the detail, and there are a couple of tips and tricks that I can share with you to ensure that we have a very low sitting, very sleek ponytail, and it should be pretty simple. It just takes practice. First, I've straightened my client's hair. Normally, if this was a real client, I would actually leave some part in the middle to create some volume. So I would use some back combing and things like that. But today we'll just do a basic version where I'm only showing you how to tie it without customizing volume for each client and things like that. So first, you're gonna wanna find their parting and brush thoroughly. And when it comes to hairspraying, because we are tying all the way down at the nape, even as you're brushing, I would recommend guiding and directing all the hair towards the nape area where we will actually tie the ponytail. When it comes to using the product, since our end goal is over here, our starting point should be furthest away from the ponytail as possible as we're applying product. So I'm actually going to start applying hairspray from the face, slowly work my way towards the nape, okay? Also, I would like to recommend at this point to prep the ponytail. So if you have a rubber band and a bobby pin, just run it through it quickly like this. And I'll show you how to tie a ponytail using a bobby pin and rubber band combo. Now, the reason why I'm using this is if I didn't use a bobby pin and I try to tie it normally, then you're gonna have to end up moving the hair around and it might mess up the sleek look. So I'll show you how to use this specific type of bobby pin to tie hair. If you're a hairdresser, you know what I'm talking about. It's all the little details. So we'll start from the parting. Only apply a little bit at a time. There's no need to rush. Another trick you can use is you can lay down your rat tail comb and sort of use the flatness of your comb to flatten all the hair, especially on the side where you're gonna want the hair to sit as close to the scalp as possible. Let me repeat the process on the other side. Spray in smaller sections in light amount and only spray those areas where you're perfectly happy that you brushed correctly. Before it dries, I'm going to go in with my comb to lay down any baby hair. And as I said before, slowly working towards the nape point. Using the heat from your palms can sort of help melt the hairspray and lay down the baby hairs. So I'm not really afraid to use the palm of my hand. That's how original hairdressers did it anyway, right? They used their hand as well as their combs. We're satisfied. And hand positioning at this point is really important because if you want the ponytail to situate as close to the neck as possible, holding it like this is not the best way because that means the entire thickness of your fingers will be sitting right against the neck. Whereas if you were to hold it like this and only the tips of your fingers, which are much thinner, are sitting at the neck, there's not as much room right under the ponytail, and that's exactly what we want. Now, once you're pretty satisfied that the ponytail is situating right against the neck, is when you're gonna take the ponytail and bobby pin combo. You're gonna put your thumb through the rubber band and pull the rubber band towards your hand and rotate around the ponytail, and you're going to put in the bobby pin close to the scalp. I'll show you how I do it again. And without lifting the hand too much, I'm going to put the rubber band right on the thumb right here. Now once you cannot rotate it anymore, I don't know if you can see, but you're gonna wanna open up the bobby pin and put the little bit of rubber band that you put on your thumb through the bobby pin. And then you're gonna wanna rotate the bobby pin on the other direction, like so. And you can go straight into the scalp and then lay it towards the side, like this. Notice how my bobby pin is situated closer to the scalp and it's not going in through the hair or through the rubber band or anything like that. You're always gonna want your foundational bobby pin to lay straight across the scalp. And as you can see, although I did my best to sort of use a little, leave as little space as possible, you can still see some space. Now this is a real kicker. One of the easiest tricks that I believe not many hairdressers know just yet, some of them do, but they might not always share, is there's a way we can push this ponytail straight onto the neck. You're gonna grab some hair from down underneath with your crab fingers and you're gonna pull straight down. This is where the magic happens. Now the ponytail is literally sitting straight on the neck, just like this. You're gonna wanna take a small strand of hair and wrap it around the ponytail like so. And spray as you're going to secure the hair strand in place. And you can sort of glue the ends onto the ponytail by spraying generous amounts of hairspray, especially on the ends. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the rest of her hair and brush to create that sleek look. I'm only using the hairspray here as requested by one of my subscribers and viewers, but normally I would probably use some type of oil essence as well to add extra shine. And that's how you tie a sleek ponytail. Hope you guys liked this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time with more beauty video. Bye!